giant waves. 60-mile-an-hour winds. 30-40 foot crashing waves over top of the Palmwood ramp. It's just insane. We're not getting ice this year, not even close. It really sucks. Crazy weather. A little bit of global warming happening for sure. Giant waves. My fingers are absolutely frozen. I've been out here for a while. It's all ice up top. There's no way you're getting up there today. Just be completely stupid. Sun's just coming up. Giant waves crashing. Beach ramp. Got the GoPro on. Take a drive to the Upper Niagara pretty soon. See what it looks like. Stay tuned. All your videos all the time. Weather updates, fishing reports. Book a guided trip. Been doing it a long time. I know where to go, where to catch them. Guaranteed, or you don't pay. FishingNiagara.com. Check it out. Facebook, Twitter, everywhere. Good luck. Go fishing.